In case of shore scleroscope hardness, the number considered is the average of determinations. A5, B26, C1, D333. The correct answer is 5. The loading used for a homogeneous specimen in the bucket S hardness test is A 30 kg, B 500 kg, C 5 kg, D 13 kg. The correct answer is 30 kg. The shore scleroscope hardness test is carried out by a tiny diamond-pointed hammer from a particular altitude and comparing the altitude of rebound to a standard test material. A. Inserting, B. Cutting, C. Smoothly pressing, D. Dropping. The correct answer is dropping. Which if the following is suggested in the shore scleroscope test to obtain the exact value? A. Instrument should be in sunlight. B. Instrument should be spray painted. C. Instrument should be fixed rigidly. D. Instrument should be in sleeping position. The correct answer is instrument should be fixed rigidly. Brinell hardness numbers of materials are identical to hardness numbers. A. Set method. B. Extension under load. C. Shore scleroscope. D. Vickers. The correct answer is Vickers.